Hey everybody, it's Racer PS2 and Electronics Repair here. I've got a couple PlayStation 2s here. We're going to focus on the one that's hooked up right now. I told you we're going to do another repair video. This one is a 39001. It was sitting in my closet, it wasn't marked. We're going to see if we got power and video and we'll go from there. So let's see if she's got power. It's got powered, we got video. We got video. Go ahead and put a disc in it, see what it does. I think this was one of the Salvation Army lot ones, I'm not sure. This one's a 39001 with the AU serial code. I will show you it in a minute after we're done testing it. See what it's doing. Sorry about the funkiness here. Looks like it's slow to read a disc. That's bad. Not good. Not good. We do have the surgical tools to go in for surgery. They're sitting right next to me. See, this thing's gonna air out or what the heck it's gonna do. Because this one's been open before. Trying to keep the camera straight, sorry about that. The house is still a mess. It is what it is. Honestly, not reading anything, doing anything at all. It's not even airing out. That's not good. I'm hoping this is not a 400R, because if it is, this is going to be one wasteful PlayStation. Okay. I'm going to try a different disc here. $400 lasers are very hard to come by, and I've not found a reliable source for them. So I don't even bother. Should have been better prepared for this video. I'm gonna try sticking a regular DVD in it. This one I found in a PlayStation. Sounds like the laser's moving. It's taking a long time to read a disc. Ah, DVD video. See if it plays it just for fun. This might just be a laser issue, guys. Hopefully I have one to fix this. Yeah, I'm not going to show anything. We can try a PlayStation disc and a CD-ROM, I guess. Yeah, unable to read disc. And it stopped. That is a bad laser, folks. Just for giggles, I'm going to see if it plays a CD. That one was a little dusty. If I can grab these really quick. Sorry. I should have been better prepared. Trying to be better prepared on these videos. I might get a GoPro, I might not. Depends how the channel goes. We're only at 108 subscribers. I'm not making any money on these videos. I don't have any corporate sponsors. I'm probably going to set up a website where you guys can buy this stuff. Yeah, it's struggling to read a disc. It's a classic. There, yeah, struggling to read a disc. It wouldn't even read the DVD. It wouldn't even read a DVD game that was clean. So. This is gonna be a laser swap. So, buckle your safety belts. Let's get it done. Just gotta see what laser it is. Absorb the speed. Race is on. Rage racing. The race is on. So we're gonna go ahead and take this apart. See what laser it is. I got the soldering iron at the ready right now. If it's a 400C, I have it at the ready. We'll get it replaced. Right now, it's not even reading DVD games, and that's no use to me. So,
racers, start your engines and let's get it on.
I mean, the fan is very strong on this one, so.
3, 2, 1, go! The race is on. Show 'em what you've got.
I can't race one-handed. Go ahead and hit that. We're gonna go ahead and race that. I think this one said slow to read discs, I think it said. But I think I took the sticker off. There was a post-it note on it. It's one of my favorite models to work on. They're simple, they're easy. This is when Sony had it right, and then they had it went and cheaped out. So this is when they cheaped out. So it's a 400R, like I said, I'm sorry to say, but I can't find lasers for the 400R models. They're a HD7 laser, and I can't find a reliable source. It is a Sanyo laser, and I don't play with DVD lens changer. I don't play with any of that stuff. So. And even to redo it all, I had to find a Mechacon. 400C Mechacon to change it. That's a lot of soldering and a lot of work. And a lot of micro soldering. Yeah, it looks like we got a laser problem. Let's get this apart. I'll be right back. Alright, we're back, folks. I just want to give the model and the serial number. This is a SCPH 39001. It has an AU serial code. It's AU2883902. Let me get this top off and we'll be right back. Alright, folks, we're back. I got the drive screws out. We're going to reveal what kind of laser's in here. Look at that. It's a 400C. I got some of those. One right here, actually. Brand new in the package. Excuse me, sorry. Hand in the way. These, I get these from a reliable source. I don't play around. If they work from the reliable source, I buy the reliable source until they're sold out. Like I said, brand new in the package. Still got the anti-solder, static solder on them. Once these are gone, I'm telling you folks, these are going to be dinosaur. You're going to have to end up getting one of them backwards compatible PlayStation 3s over there. to play your PS2 games, which those are becoming dinosaurs. There's not anybody else that's gonna fix one of those. So what I mean by that is only the person that I know that does that repair on PlayStation 3s in general is Computer Booter in California. He's the only one that I know has got the soldering skills and the stuff necessary to... I want to see something quick. Do we got a diode? Yeah. Still junk though. It's got a strong fan on it. We're going to go ahead and change the laser out. And we'll be right back. Alright folks, laser swap is complete. Let's see what it does. Go ahead and turn on the TV again. Go ahead and hit the power. Go ahead and put the video cable back on it because I'm a dork. This one was open before, so we're probably going to be in probably some issues. Oh, it spun around, that's good. Sorry about me monkeying around. Trying to hook up the video cable. There we go. Yeah, I know, Cosmos battery's probably dead. I deal with that off camera. Let's see what she does. That sounds a hell of a lot better already. She's spinning. But what is the board gonna do? So we might have a junk board. That happens. Because sometimes on these 39,000 ones, you will get a bad system manager controller. It's very rare, but it does happen. This one's still spinning. I might have to take the lid off of this one to see what it's doing. Like I said, not every fix is a good fix. Yeah, we're going to take the lid off of this one. I need to see if the laser's coming on. I need to see if some other factors here. See if the laser's coming on. It is. But is it moving? Does not look like it. I can try a different game. I need to use Solcom for this. My Solcom is scratched right now. My own stupidity. Yeah. It's stuck at reading disk. It's also a sign of a bad system manager controller. Because this thing won't even read DVDs. So, I'm going to try something else quick. So I could actually verify that by putting this laser in a different system. I didn't like that. Yeah, I think this one's got a bad system management controller, folks. Like I said, can't save them all. This has got some great parts, though. The entire drive is worth money in gold. Yeah, it's not even reading a CD. Huh. It's just not even spinning it up. Usually when it detects it's a CD-ROM, it just spins it up. I'm gonna try something quick. I'll give her a little tweak. Let's see if it's a height issue. I highly doubt it. Give her half a turn. Close the drive. I'm gonna reset it. Oh, just needed a tweak. There's the CD, folks. Like I said, sometimes you gotta monkey with them. I didn't count it out, I said, but if you do see that, that is a system management control. It's very rare on a 39001. I wasn't counting it out. Sometimes the laser adjustment height's not right. This thing wasn't reading CDs and it wasn't reading DVDs. This might be a good fix. Like I said, this is not a... It's a game. That's why I said there is a special tool that you can hook up to this with a TTL reader. I don't have it. I can send this out and get them calibrated the right way, but I don't have time for that, and I won't want to pay the extra $100.
Welcome to Ford Racing 3. Single player.
See, this thing rumbles.
Car selected.
Like I said, somebody was monkeying in here. I don't know who. I don't ask questions, I just fix them. Like I said, this was a simple repair. Hopefully. When this thing rumbles, I'll show you. I'll hit something quick. This thing's jumping off the floor. Enough of that. Let's see if I can get it to read a DVD game like I wanted it to. I already know now it reads the CD-ROM game. I wasn't reading a DVD game. Like I said, height and laser adjustment is very important. If not, it's a dead board, and that's it. She toast. Now this one's not even moving. I'll try another height adjustment really quick. Hit the reset button. Seems like it wants to read it, but there it goes. Like I said, I wasn't in here before. I set it exactly where it was. Somebody was in here monkeying with the tilt adjustment, trying to get it to work. That's why I said you gotta monkey with these things, man. Gotta monkey with them. There it goes. I'll give her a little bit of a better tweak. Let's see if I can get her to load right. Any audio that's screwed up, I'm gonna give her another adjustment. Yeah, I don't care. See what goes in the game. This is a kid's game, by the way. It's a nice game to play if you want to just play, so. Like I said, didn't count out the board. You can set it exactly where it was, and then you have to sit there and you have to monkey with it. That was another half a turn. It was set way too low. Set way too low. So I don't know if that laser's bad or not. I have no idea. I can test that in another system if I want. I'll probably test it in that one for fun. That's gonna be another video though. Told you we're going back to repair videos. I have a contractor and is doing the kitchen right now.
Speed. One winner.
Yeah, we don't care. Thing's running like a champ. Like I said, 39,000 ones are usually reliable after you replace the lasers. Yeah, whatever. This one uses the analog sticks. Anyway. I'm gonna try to give her another tweak. Right there should be good, and we'll reset it again. See if it loads it faster. If it does, we're gonna leave it there. Yep, we're gonna leave it there. I'll do a quick test of that one, and I'll end the video. Like and subscribe, guys. Oh no, didn't like that. I might have to put her back down. See? That's what I'm trying to tell you. Even I make mistakes. Yeah, she can go right back to the DVD menu. Yep. We're going to have to put her back down. Go ahead and reset it. Take her back. Take a half adjustment back out of it. Sadly, they're set at the factory. There's nothing I can do about it. You got to find out where it is at the factory adjustment and leave it alone. No, stop for a minute there. That was weird. Like I said, it's a monkeying game. I had it, I should have left it alone. Give her a quarter turn, I'll hit the reset button. Is it dead laser? Hope not. Go ahead and give her another toot toot. Not much. Like I said, I thought I could give it another turn. I got the sweet spot on it, and I should have left it alone. We're going to leave it there. It's probably the sweet spot on this laser. It's probably the sweet spot on the system. If it loads, let it go. Yep, we're going to leave it there for DVDs. That's where it wants it on a DVD. So we'll leave that alone. I told you, even I screw up thinking I could just put a little more, a quarter of a turn on it. She'll go. No. That's what I'm talking about, fellas. We already know it's going to go in a game. We're going to leave the DVD side alone on it. Like I said, somebody else was already in here before me, so I didn't know where it was. I went off of what was in there. So I'm going to go ahead and leave it alone. She's loading. It's loading pretty good, actually. Told you, laser's not bad. It's always adjustments. So, we're going to go ahead and put a CD-ROM, PlayStation disc in it, make sure it works, and then we're going to go from there. Go ahead and reset. Sure she reads that, and then we'll make sure she reads a thing, and we'll leave it at that. Like I said, it's all about adjustments. You gotta make sure your adjustment's right. Sometimes you gotta tweak it, sometimes you don't. It all depends on who was in here before you. This one was already open once. So I don't know what the previous person did. I have no idea. This one fired right up. So we're going to leave it right there. Like I told you, it's all about jitters per second with these things. And the lowest number you have, that's the better it's gonna be.
Rage Racing.
Yeah, this thing's working like a champ. I said I'll grab that DVD quick and we'll run it. I'm not gonna play it for copyright reasons because it's HBO, so.
Racers, start your engine.
Yeah, Disney came after me for that one live stream once. For Lego. We're playing Lego Pirates of the Caribbean on live stream.
2, 1, go! The race is on. Show 'em what you've got. 3 laps to go.
Alright, we got a PlayStation disc that works. Let's go ahead and reset. Like I said, make sure you like and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Make sure you know you like this video. Like I said, I'm doing this on my own time to make sure that these are working properly and that, and whatever. I said, I'm probably gonna get a website going so you guys can buy these things. No, this thing's probably too dusty. Should probably wipe it off, huh? It's been sitting up there for a while. She's pretty dirty. Hold on, let me get this disc clean. I'll be right back. Alright, take 2. I'll clean the disc really quick. We're back. See if it'll read it now. Of course, just dusty. Yes, new players are particularly picky. See? It's particularly picky about what it reads. You got any dirt, dust, scratch? It won't like it. Because that is a random DVD I found in a PlayStation. One of the PlayStations I got off of eBay. I don't particularly care about it. It's just a test disc. But this is HBO, so I've never heard of this show. I don't know what it is. It's probably somebody forgot it in their PlayStation. It's called Encourage. I don't know. See if it'll play an episode. Like I said, this is HBO's, not mine. There you have it, folks. Another PS2 saved from the scrap heap. Hopefully I can see you guys on the next one. Hopefully you guys watch this entire video. Like I said, I'm hopefully going to try to get a website up for you guys to buy these or get a tech forum going. Because it is what it is. And I think when it pauses it, when it pauses, it just sits there. But like I said, back to repair videos. I've got to get these done, and you guys like the repair content, so we're going back to it. Thanks. Catch you in the next one.